Breaking news from Keikuk Tech. In a recent update, Trollstore proudly announces the renewal of its installation certificate, ensuring seamless experiences for users. However, the certificate is on the brink of expiration, so act fast. Here are the key software details. Misaka v8.2.4, compatible with versions 15.7.2, 15.8.1, and 16.0-16.6.1. Trollstar v3.0 supports version 16.0, 16.6 v2.0, compatible with versions 15.72 and 15.8.1. Stay updated with the latest technology. To install and explore these exciting updates, click the installation link in the description below. Attention Keikuk Tech subscribers, don't miss out on the tech revolution. Subscribe to Keikuk Tech for more news and updates. And for detailed Misaka installation guidance, check the description for a step-by-step video tutorial. Subscribe now and let's delve into the world of cutting-edge technology together.